my first mango since being home, which I picked down by my aunt's house. Yeah, the first day I came home, there was some mangoes on the tree, so I climbed up there and picked this one. And then I have Kimali in the back over there. Yeah. So this is from Kimali's house, and this is a Julie mango. It is a bit buttered at the top because it fell, you know, but yeah. I eat my mango like Justin Man Spice. I'm hoping you did see the video with how Justin I eating mango. You did see the video, Kimali?
No.
Yeah, I see the video how Justin I eating mango. I feel bad tonight. Julie mango delicious. No more the East Indian mango fig. Level it off. And I'm not East Indian mango, Kimari. I'm not East Indian. I never seen an East Indian at all when I drive come down.
Well, you have an earphone, you can't hear you.
Must take out the earphone and listen to me. Keep one in your ears.
Miss me in a class.
Yeah, I'm my class now too. Mango tastes nice, Mr. Kimali. When you eat mango chop it have this nice natural flavor.
I'm probably making a lot.
Pick them too young. I'm going to eat my sugar cane next.
Who is this person presenting? Tap that into the door.
The head one come on aisle. That's it. Them first Julie mango. Well, mango season is going out right now, so I was lucky to have found some Julie mango since coming here. See a few more on Kimali's mango tree still, which I'm gonna try attack it right now later on in the day. Anyways, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. What are these, Shadow?
Cane.
What kind of cane? Cane are able or sugar cane?
Sugar cane.
Alright, so today I will be eating some sugar canes. Oh, have a thing in the background, Shadow. What's called it? Today I will be eating some sugar cane. Oh, I have the knife in my hand. Yeah. So I'll be peeling these. I want to start with the big one. Hush, Dory, hush, Dory, hush. Hush, hush, hush. Hush, hush, hush. Hush, hush, hush. After I wake up the yard this morning, I'm not going to wake up again. Oh, better not. One piece? Send fatty. Kimari! Kimari! Rolly. Coconut yellow? Yeah. Two coconuts here and two of them full of coconut. I saw make your camera hot. The phone don't have enough space. So they're on hot. So for clear profiles them. Wow. Jawbone. Yeah, and it's of course it's sweet. It's sugar cane. I'm starting. Wait, no. I start back. Lovely. Yeah, so I am here enjoying some sugar cane. Okay, here in my backyard in Jamaica, of course. And my nephew. So when you find one girl, you love your girl. Foodie this, you know. Foodie like myself. See there? See there? May eat my cane and me and him have to eat it together. What you Shador? Two we love food. You're saying big and fat. Look at him big and fat. What Shine say you have truck belly. Truck driver belly. Holy stop!